Let's take a trip back in time, back to the golden era of post-war America. The year is 1949. The world is rebuilding, factories are humming again, and Ford is busy redefining what a work truck should be. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic pickups of the era, the 1949 Ford F3. This isn't just a truck, it's a symbol of grit, purpose, and timeless design. And even now, over 75 years later, it still turns heads. From the outside, the Ford F3 stands tall, literally. This is a 3/4-ton pickup, which means it was built for serious work. It sits higher than its half-ton sibling, the F1, and it's instantly recognizable by its elongated bed and beefier stance. The body lines are clean and rounded, giving it that bulbous post-war look that screams Americana. You've got that unmistakable front grille, wide set and bold, with horizontal bars and a centrally mounted Ford badge that feels like a badge of honor. The headlights are nestled into each rounded fender, giving the truck a friendly, almost cartoonish face, but make no mistake, this truck was all business. Most examples from this era came with a split windshield and small side windows, adding to the charm. And check out that steel bed, thick, rugged, and straight to the point. No plastic, no gimmicks, just raw utility. Original versions often came in muted tones like gray, green, or a dusty blue, though many owners today restore them in vibrant custom colors or that classic matte black. Now step inside, and you'll quickly realize how far we've come in terms of comfort, but also how beautifully simple things used to be. The interior is Spartan, but it's got everything you need. A single bench seat wrapped in either vinyl or cloth, a large metal dashboard painted the same color as the body, and a steering wheel that feels more like a ship's wheel, huge, with no power assist. But that's part of the charm. The gauges are basic but functional: speedometer, fuel gauge, oil pressure, battery, and temperature. That's it. No screens, no touch-sensitive anything. Just dials that tell you what you need to know. And somehow, that simplicity makes the experience even richer. You can hear every creak, feel every bump, and smell the combination of oil, metal, and time. For those who appreciate analog machines, this is heaven. Under the hood, the 1949 Ford F3 came with a few engine options, but most commonly, you'd find a flathead V8 or an inline-six. The famous 239 cubic inch flathead V8 delivered around 100 horsepower. That might not sound like much today, but in 1949, it was more than enough to haul lumber, tools, or livestock from farm to town and back again. The engine has a low, rumbling growl that gives the truck a soulful presence on the road. It's the kind of sound that's almost musical, raw, mechanical, and entirely authentic. Shifting was done through a 4-speed manual transmission, floor-mounted of course, with a non-synchronized first gear. That means you had to double-clutch, ESP,